How to block ads on Android without root and no app needed. If you want to block ads on Android without root and without any third-party apps, there is a simple method to do this. For this, simply launch the settings app on your Android, or more importantly, you can directly go to Wi-Fi settings. So after you open settings, you have to go to this option called mobile network, and under mobile network you'll find the option to use a custom DNS. So you can go to more settings and you can see private DNS. So currently it has been set to auto, but what we want to do is we want to go to custom or specified DNS, and what you want to use in a specified or custom DNS is simply this default DNS, which is dns.adguard.com. I repeat, dns.adguard.com. This is one of the best DNS settings that most Android phone users actually use it. And if you have some problems with any applications because of this, you can always come back and come to auto settings. But normally when you use a specific DNS, most of the ads on Android are already blocked. So hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.